State and explain second law of photochemistry. Second law of photochemistry states that each reacting molecule which takes part in the photochemical reaction gets activated by absorbing one quanta of light energy. Let's consider leaves of a tree on which sun rays are falling directly. These leaves consist of chlorophyll molecules which absorb sunlight and use its energy to synthesize carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water. And this photochemical reaction is known as photosynthesis. According to this law, each chlorophyll molecule absorbs one quanta of light energy to get excited and induce photochemical reaction of photosynthesis. Basically, this law implies 1:1 relationship between the number of reacting molecules and the number of quanta of light absorbed. That is, if 3 molecules are taking part in a photochemical reaction, then they have absorbed 3 quantum of light energy to get into an excited state. But it should be noted that this law is applicable only to primary processes. The energy acquired by a single molecule in absorbing 1 quantum is dependent on the wavelength or frequency of the irradiating light. We know that a mole of photons is frequently referred to as an Einstein. Let us calculate the energy absorbed by 1 mole of reacting molecules. According to quantum theory of radiation, energy per quanta equals, where h is Planck's constant, c is velocity of light, and lambda is the wavelength of light. So the energy absorbed by 1 mole of the reacting molecules will be, where Na is Avogadro number. On substituting the values of these constants, we get, therefore the energy possessed by 1 mole of photons or energy absorbed by 1 mole of the reacting species is given by, this energy absorbed by 1 mole of the reacting molecules is known as an Einstein. But as stated earlier, this law is applicable only to the primary photochemical processes, where, as a result of primary absorption, only 1 molecule decomposes and the products enter no further reaction. In this case, the number of reacting molecules will be equal to the number of energy quanta absorbed. But in cases where an activated molecule photochemically initiates sequence of thermal reactions are called secondary photochemical processes. Many reactant molecules undergo photochemical change. In some cases, less than 1 molecule may react per quanta of light. Note that second law of photochemistry is also known as Stark-Einstein law or Einstein's law of photochemical equivalence. The related term is